So, hey, what's up, YouTube? So, I've been doing a lot of thinking and about life and, what is fulfilling in life? What's the meaning of life? And there's some things that I've discovered that I wanted to share with you that I think could be very useful to a lot of people. Um, what makes us happy? What makes us truly happy? Well, in my opinion, to be the best me I can be, both now, a year from now, 10 years from now, in my old age. Just to continue to grow and improve and be the best version of me that is happy and contributes to society and has intrinsic value. I feel like I have value and I want to always have value. And so I've discovered that for me, it isn't about how much money I make. I could care less about money, in the sense that no amount of it actually brings people happiness. You know what I'm saying? So if that's not really the case, then what is the meaning of life? Why are we here? What's the purpose? And so I feel like we all biologically, innately have this desire to have a purpose so that we have a deeper meaning for life. And if you didn't have a deeper meaning of life, and it wouldn't be significant. So for me, I found for myself to take on responsibility, as much responsibility as I can, continues my growth in challenging myself in little increments at a time. And I feel like psychologically, that makes me the best version of me, not only now, but a year from now, and the version of me into my old age. And I, really believe that through the power of choice and the power of responsibility, that empowers us to determine our destiny. It determines, what we get out of life, the value of life. A lot of people walk around never knowing what their purpose is. And so I think that this is an important message. And the takeaway from this is, what gives you the most meaningful experiences in life? What makes life worth living? What is your purpose? And to be honest with myself and with the world around me, that means to be the best version of myself, challenging myself to grow and to become more of what I have the potential to be. And you can't really unlock that until you present yourself with these little increments of challenges that slightly better yourself, not challenges that are unattainable, but achievable goals. You have to set goals, small stepping stone goals that get you to where you want to be. And where I want to be, like a lot of people, is just happy and cohabitate in a society that benefits everyone. And so we have to figure out how to get to a place to do that. And so I'm always wanted to make an impact and change the world. I'm sure a lot of people intrinsically have this innate desire to, make a difference in the world. And so I've recently discovered, and I know it may sound cliche, but it really does come down to taking responsibility for all the other problems in the world so that you can at least acknowledge them and start making small increments towards a goal, which is to make it the way you want it. Determine your destiny and create the path necessary for you to achieve your goals. So taking ownership, taking responsibility allows me to grow in a personal and professional way and increments that will get me to where I want to be. And to me, that's empowering. So I just thought I'd share that message. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me. And then don't forget to ring the bell for notifications and tune in next time. What do you find the most meaning in life? What's the most meaningful to you? Do you challenge yourself to be the best version of yourself, not just now, but a year from now, or maybe 10 years from now? Let me know what you think in the comments below. We'll see you next time.